With us on Times Now. Viewers, Justice Yashwant Varma has late last night moved Supreme Court challenging the in-house panel's report which indicted him. According to sources, Justice Varma sought to quash the May 8 recommendation by the then Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, to Prime Minister and President to get him removed. This petition comes just ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament, during which the government plans to begin his impeachment proceedings. Justice Verma contends he has been indicted without being given a personal hearing. Justice Verma has accused the three-member probe panel of drawing adverse findings without affording him a full and fair hearing. It also contended that the committee failed to investigate foundational facts, particularly those concerning the alleged cash found by first responders on 14th of March. That would be necessary to establish culpability. Justice Verma even says, even if the cash was found in outhouse, further inquiry was essential to establish ownership, authenticity, as well as other material facts. And now we have some breaking inputs as well coming in at this point in time on this particular story, and Justice Verma uses lapses by cops in his defense. He's asking why the cops did not seize cash. He's asking why no panchnama was prepared, and he's also claiming that certain photos and videos were taken by some of the officials, and that formed the basis of events that followed. That's the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. We'll be going across to my colleague Pratibha to get you more details on this particular aspect. Pratibha is live with us right now. Pratibha, over to you. Take us through the key details that have now emerged.
So, Hina, in the petition, here is what Justice Verma has said, and he has mentioned the night when the cash was found at his residence. He says, on the night intervening 14th and 15th of March, a fire incident occurred in an outhouse located in the official residence allotted to the petitioner at the time. It appears that while attending to or extinguishing the fire, officials of the Delhi Fire Services and the Delhi Police discovered the presence of burnt currency or cash in the outhouse, and it goes on to say they did not seize the alleged cash or prepare a panchnama or otherwise memorize their discovery in any manner known to law. However, it appears that certain photos and videos were privately taken by some of the officials and formed the basis for events that follow. So going on to say the panchnama had not been filed. Instead, it was private videos that were taken by some of the officials who were there at the spot, claiming that this is a clear lapse, Hina.
Right. So this is what Justice Verma has used in his plea. Stay on with us, Pratibha. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who's also joining us live right now for more on this. Harish, now this is extremely significant. So in a way, lapses by police are being used by Justice Verma in his defense, but many are also raising questions on the timing. Why did he not speak about all these issues that he's raising right now, when this inquiry was going on?
Yes, that's right, Hina. Even when Times Now had broken the report filed by the in-house committee, in fact, even the in-house committee members had questioned the police as to why an FIR against unknown persons was not registered and cash seized. At least a destruction of evidence would not have happened. And in fact, we all know that FIR against Yashwant Varma cannot be registered without the permission of the Chief Justice of India, because he's a sitting judge. But always FIR against unknown persons could have been registered. So in reply to this, the police officials had said that considering the sensitivity of the issue, and also because Justice Verma was not there at this residence, it was not registered. At least the destruction of evidence would not have taken place. The cash would have been seized. So, on expected lines, Justice Yashwant Varma, in his petition challenging the in-house report, has relied specifically on this unexpected lines. He's saying, where is the cash? What was seized? Nothing was seized. Why the cash was not seized? If there was cash, why was panchnama not prepared?
Very quickly, Harish, when is it likely to come up for hearing in the Supreme Court?
The basic evidence against him. In fact, this petition has only been filed, Hina. Now it's expected that today, since the Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, is not sitting, this matter was not mentioned. It's expected that this matter will get mentioned on Monday at 10:30 a.m.
So perhaps some development on this can be expected on Monday. For now, thank you, Harish, as well as Pratibha. Appreciate both of you for joining us with all of those details. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.